Welcome to This Week in Vexly. Starting off, we will review our trade ideas from last week. Starting off, we liked XOM CRWD as a long last week. Our market maker model was long, and moving to our gamma profile, we mentioned 105 would be the floor for the week, with an upside target of 110. Well, on Monday we opened right at 110, and from Monday's open to high of week XOM CRWD was up 1.48%. Later in the week, XOM CRWD offered another long opportunity when price tested 105 and bounced all the way back to 110 to end the week. For our second idea, we liked CRWD as a short this week. Our market maker model was short, and we mentioned on the gamma profile was we wanted to see price fall under 175 for a drop to 165 and 160. What happened was price moved higher, and we saw the gamma profile move higher, allowing price to remain elevated. CRWD closed the week up 5.11%. This was a bad idea, but there was no trade due to price staying above 175. Now let's get into our ideas for the week ahead. For our first idea, we like Uber as a long this week. Our market maker model is long and Pluto is signaling a buy. Moving to our gamma profile, we have peak negative at 42.5 and peak positive at 45. Moving lower to our Vanna profile, we have peak positive for the week at 47.5 and peak negative at 42.5 for the week. Scrolling down, we have our skew model, which is mostly flat for the week ahead. Next, we have our weekly seasonality for Uber, and here are the VX levels for Uber. One thing to note is the bid Uber saw at 43, and how that aligns with our idea that we want to see 42.5 hold as the floor for the week ahead for a long opportunity up to 45. For our second idea, we like Amazon as a long this week. Our market maker model has signaled a short squeeze, which is a bullish occurrence. We also have Pluto that signaled a buy at the end of last week. Moving to our gamma profile, we can see peak negative is set at 130 and peak positive is set at 135. As long as this positioning remains the same throughout the week, we want to see 130 hold as the floor and 135 to act as resistance. Moving to our Vanna profile, we have peak negative at 120 and peak positive at 135. Scrolling down more, we have our skew model, which is extremely bullish for the week ahead due to the outsized positioning in puts. Next, we have the weekly seasonality for Amazon, and finally we have the VX levels. One thing to note is the resistance we saw at 134 last week, so we will want to see price above 130 for a shot at 134 to 135. That's all for this week. To recap, we like Uber as a long and want to see price hold above 42.5 for a shot up to 45. For our second idea, we like Amazon as a long and want to see price get above and hold 130 for a shot at 134 to 135. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.